This video goes over setup basics. So to turn on the display, you would hit the button right here on the back, and then it takes a few minutes to start up and connect to the Wi-Fi. But the first thing we want to check, the first thing we want to do is select the correct operator. So anytime you're starting, check to make sure your name is there if you're performing a task, and if not, then select it from the list. Second of all, we want to check that the modem and the GPS are connected. And the way we do that is go into Tools, hit your receiver, Diagnostic, and you can see you have a signal. It is running and it is connected. Next up, we may want to switch implements, or let's go ahead and start up because we can switch from here. So you want to check that this stuff should be okay, but you might want to switch the implement. So let's go ahead and switch to our onion seeder. Go to the next screen, and this is where you're going to select the client. So Hillside Gardens operates different fields. Bill Scotch, we rent from him. Sam Visser. If you're working on the farm, you'll know which fields go with which. Under the Holland Marsh, we can go to the 13th farm or the Sammy's field or any of the marsh fields. So I'm going to select Russian Lady. And for our task, let's say we're planting seeding. If it's not in the list already right here, I don't see that, so I'm going to hit New, and then it should be in this drop-down list, so planting seeding. Hit OK. Now, event attributes, it's important to make sure we select the correct year, and the operator is correct. Tractor implement is not correct here, so I'm going to go ahead and find my onion seeder. Right there. The last thing I want to do is going to scroll down to crop and make sure we have onion selected. Hit OK. Now, we go over variety setup in a different one, so I'm not going to do that right now. This is just basic setup. So let's open our field. So we're going to yes engage that. Now we perform a task. Let's open another field. So you don't have to go back to the home screen and start all over. Just open another field. Let's say we're going to Joe's. Now, the last thing we just want to do is I'm going to close the field, and then so for that last field, this is the same. We want to check that what we just did is getting sent. So you can check on the status there by going into the BRS and hitting Diagnostic. Actually, that's not correct. We can go to Office Sync, hit Diagnostic, and it'll say if it's sending anything. If it just says ready for file transfer, it means it already sent whatever task you just performed. So you can go into Office Sync either from the home screen if you hit the toolbar, or here. So if I were to close this field, then I could just do it from the home screen and check. And so sometimes you always, before you shut down the display, you want to check that it sent whatever file, whatever task you just performed. Otherwise, I won't get that in a timely manner. And then to shut down the display, we're just going to hit shut down. We're not going to turn it off from here.